Okay, gang, we're going to put in some of this Seafoam. It's motor treatment designed to clean injectors, and it helps with the gasoline treatment. I was doing some research on the internet. Of course, it came up, and I thought, hey, what a great idea. So I've already put 3 ounces into the tank. I'm going to put another couple ounces in there. I filled it up to about 3 gallons yesterday. Of course, you know, we changed the oil, we changed the fuel filter, we changed the spark plugs, and the battery started running a little bit better yesterday. So I decided to do a little bit more research online to find out, well, what else could I do? And of course, this came up, Seafoam. It happened to be on sale today over at Autozone. So I figured, you know what? Shit, man, perfect timing. I'm going to get some. So we threw it in the tank. It could also be used in the crankcase. I believe this is the crankcase reservoir. I need the right wrench to get in there. I think it is a 9mm. Not sure if you can see that. Where the hell is that damn number? I don't know. 9mm. I don't know what the hell number this is. And that needs to go in there and turn. But before I go ahead and wrench my fingers and kind of, I should probably, no, it's too tight. I'd like to put some in there, but I'm not going to yet because I can't get to it. I don't think it's a good idea to put it in the oil reservoir. I haven't seen anything online about that yet, so I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to fuck things up more than I have in my life, so I'm not going to fuck that up. But we put 3 ounces in earlier and another 3 to 4 ounces in just now. I got about 3 gallons in there. I'm going to let it run for a little bit, and then I'm going to keep adding. From what this is saying, you can add and add and add, and it ain't going to hurt nothing. So every day I'm going to put in an ounce or 2. And I used Chevron gas. I'm not going to use Walmart gas or any other crap. I'm going to start putting in high-grade gas from a reputable refinery. You know, they all get it from the same location, but I think it's probably a little bit better. They probably put additives in it, but I don't know for sure. Even though I did own a gas station in my life once before, it was unbranded. And I remember that everything came from the same refinery, but they may add additives in to their trucks as they refuel the stations. So I don't want to put Walmart gas in there anymore unless I have to. But I'm going to go ahead and start using this product, and hopefully it'll work and clean out all of that crap and goo in there that's been sitting for since, you know, for 8-9 years. Anyway, gang, that's the video for right now. I'm going to put this in with a couple others as I start it up later for you. I'm going to let it sit tonight and then start it tomorrow. All right? Have a good one. Okay, gang. We're going to go get some more of that Seafoam. We're going to get the Seafoam that has the spray nozzle. I don't want to do what I did yesterday and put the Seafoam, you know, suck it up through that little nozzle thingy, that hose, 1/4-inch hose, because I want more of a stream effect. Anyway, let's see if this bad boy can start. What a beautiful day today, man. I'm so glad to get out. All right, baby, let's do this. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you got it. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, baby, you can do it. Shit, man, it wants to fucking stall. No. No, baby. No, baby. Come on, baby. You can do it. You can do it. Beautiful day. Alright, so it's running. It's running like it wants to run, baby. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, you're gonna heal yourself. Alright, so just doing a little bit of researching online about Thundermax. It's a module that you stick on there. It's like a electronic fuel injection module replacement for Harleys, and it comes with 2 oxygen sensors that you stick on, the exhaust pipes, and you're able to do all the things you're supposed to do with your Harley, which is, get better fuel mileage, and it runs smoother, and you get more horsepower, and blah, 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 blah. Actually, it's not a bad product. I mean, from what they're saying, you can diagnose your motorcycle yourself. It has an auto-tune feature, like they have maps where you can basically map in a tuning range for your motorcycle, and it automatically, as you ride, adjusts the map and tunes your motorcycle as you ride, which is freaking amazing. I mean, wow. Anyway, that's $900, which I can't afford, but it's something to think about for the future, that's for sure. Come on, you can do it. So once I clean out the goop that's in the front head here, the front cylinder, clean out all of that bad gas that from Walmart, and whatever's left in that tank from 8 years of sitting in a garage. Oh, you're gonna make me do it? I do. That's respect, folks. Demand respect. Alright. So yeah, that Seafoam, I think it's going to clear up a lot of the carbon buildup that's in the engine. So, but the one I'm going to get is the spray with the nozzle, like I said. So we're going to go, I'm going to take it up to the Autozone and see if they still have that on sale, that product on sale. If not, it's only $2 more, no big deal. I got a Thunderman on there. I don't know. I mean, if this damn thing has a Thunderman already installed because the guy was rich and he installed it when he bought the motorcycle, hell, man, I'm running on gold. It just needs to be reset because the motorcycle, if it's mapped and you're running sluggish, it's going to adjust to that sluggishness, I guess. I don't know. You'd think. Come on, baby. You can do it. You can do it. Snap, crackle, pop, baby. Oh, no, 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 no. Come on, you can do it. Stay rolling, baby. Whew. Harley's revving their engine all the time, stopping it from stalling. Oh, you're just trying to be cool. You're just trying to rev up your engine to be cool. You think you're cool because you're revving your engine? No, I think I'm revving my engine because the fucking thing's gonna stall. Like we made it. Da, 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 da. Hello, cutie pie. Hello, another cutie pie. Yummy. Looks like we made it. Da, 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 do, 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 do. All right, and it's still on sale. That's right. Buy now. Alright, gang, let's get in there and get that shit. And I'll be out in a minute. Turn this off. Alright, gang, so we got the Seafoam spray. And the reason why I got this is because it has that nozzle. And that'll fit right in here. So I'll go ahead and pop this cap off. And then get a 1/4-inch hose, put it around there, duct tape it so it kind of seals it, put it in there and squirt it directly in there. That'll be a lot easier than it just draining out of the bottle. And I bought some 15 amp fuses replacements, so I'll stick that right in here somewhere. Oh, actually, that's probably not a good place for it. That's my strap. And I probably put it where it should be. It's in the dangum. You know what? Screw it. Here. Let's put it in with the tools. And I will be sticking a 1/4-inch tube in here as well, because I want to, you never know when you're going to need to use that 1/4-inch tube. when you're out and about. Alright. There you go, gang. Another $12 down the drain. Man, I love my motorcycle. Man. Alright, I won't bore you to go on a trip to go. Well, you know what? Maybe I will bore you. You don't mind taking a ride with me, do you? You don't mind taking a ride with me, do you? Nope. La 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 la. I was flirting with that girl in there. She was telling me about her boyfriend, and knowing me, I decided to tell her, hey, if you ever get rid of your boyfriend, I'm available. She gave me a look like I was insane. I wouldn't go out with you if you were the last man on earth. Oh. Okay. Of course, she didn't say that. I'm just throwing that out there. Come on, baby. You can do it. Hey, it's another guy riding a little moped. Be my friend, man. Let's go for a ride. Oh, man, I'm so lonely. I got nowhere to go. There you go. See? Come on, baby. You can do it. Come on. That's Monday, folks. Stay in your lane there, boy. Oh, man. Don't you dare stall. folks. Put a little bit more of that juice in there. That Seafoam. And we're going to be good as new, aren't we? Yes, we are. I may as well put the rest of that can in that bottom fuel tank too. On that. Come on, baby. Alright, so I gotta wait a few minutes to pull that cap off of this because it's gonna be hotter than hell. So what I'll do is I'll do another video later. Take it up to the parking lot. Spray a little bit of that in there. I'm gonna cut a piece of that 1/4-inch hose off. I should get a burrito or something. I should get something to eat. Go, go, go. Come on now. Yeah, baby. Baby, baby, baby. Baby, baby, baby. Baby, baby. Ring-a-ding-ding. Alright folks, hope you enjoyed the ride. We'll turn off the camera. Alright, see you later. Alright gang, so we got the Seafoam spray. Comes with nozzle. Red little nozzle that you stick in there like that. I think you stick it in there like that. Why isn't it going in there? And then you'll be able to squirt it, and it'll shoot into the hole. But what we're gonna do is I got a 1/4-inch tube. We're gonna fit it over this like that. And that'll help aid in getting it over that little nipple. We're going to get some duct tape. It's Gorilla Tape. We're going to stick it over there. Let's do this. Let's go. Put a little bit here. Sure hope you can see this. Measure. You can see that. Now I'm going to blow in it just to make sure. So right here, it's got to have tape on there, right there, because it's coming out. Don't want any air coming on there. So we're going to tape this no air. Because air is not our friend. Let's try it again. Alright, that'll work. That'll work. And that should squirt it in there. So you put this in here, and it should squirt down in there. Alright. Put this other piece on to make it look pretty. And we should probably test it too. Let's test it. Let's test it to see if it works before we do anything crazy. Ta-da! It works. So that's what we want. Now if I was smart, I would put some duct tape around this and hold this in place. But maybe I'll do that, maybe I won't, who knows. Because you end up going, and it spurts out and sets the whole damn bike on fire, which I don't want. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to stick a metal rod in here for an hour or two, just kind of straighten it up a little bit to make it a little bit easier. I can pop it in. And that's what we're doing.